हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज अब्दुल वर्मा फ्रॉम मेडिकल मेडिकोस। आई होप आप मेरी वीडियो एंजॉय कर रहे हो। अच्छी लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। आज मैं आपको फिर से रिव्यू करूंगा विसरा ऑफ द लेफ्ट लंग। इस वीडियो के आखिरी तक बने रहें। अब स्टार्ट करते हैं विसरा ऑफ द लेफ्ट लंग। फर्स्टली आप इसको आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करें कि आपका लेफ्ट लंग है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे शुड बी प्रेजेंट ऑफ द लिंगुला व्हिच शुड बी अबव द हॉरिजॉन्टल फिशर। सी इट केयरफुली, सी दिस इज द प्रेजेंट लिंगुला. This is the lingula which shows the remnant of the middle lobe. Okay. Secondly, this, see carefully. After this, now I am telling about the anatomical points. First, we have to hold it like this anatomically. This is the viscera of the left lung, in which apex is directed upwards, conical and blunt. Secondly, there is the presence of the base, which is concave in shape. See it carefully. This is the base. It is base which is concave. Okay. Now we come on the border. This is the anterior border, which is thin, sharp and directed anterior-medially. This is the posterior border, which is thick, blunt and directed posterior-laterally. This is the inferior border. See it carefully. This is the inferior border. Okay. This is the inferior border. Now we come on the surface. We have three surfaces: costal surface. We have the costal surface, medial surface, which is divided by the hilum. Then we have the diaphragmatic surface, or we can say the inferior surface, on which when the base lies in the diaphragm, this is the diaphragmatic surface. Now one more thing, in the medial surface we have the hilum and the pulmonary ligament, which divide the medial surface into two parts, that is the vertebral part and the mediastinal part. See it carefully. This is the vertebral part, which is thick here. You can identify by like this. This is the vertebral part, and this is the mediastinal part. From here to here, this is the mediastinal part. Okay. This was all about the anatomical points. Now I'm going to tell you about the cardiac impression and the substances which is present around it. First of all, this is the impression for the first rib, and this costal cartilage. See it carefully. This is the impression of the first rib and the costal cartilage. Secondly, see this carefully. This is the cardiac impression. Okay, this is the cardiac impression. I am telling it again. Okay, this is the cardiac impression. Okay, this is the cardiac impression. Now, since this is the left lung, now from here cardiac impression here it is found by the left ventricle, left auricle, and some small part of the ventricle also. Okay, infundibulum basically. Now I'm telling you about the now see it carefully. This is the arch of aorta. This is the arch of aorta. This is the descending thoracic aorta. So you can show it like this. This is the arch of aorta. This is the arch of aorta. This is the descending thoracic aorta. Okay, like this. Okay, arch of thoracic aorta. Now here comes the esophagus, and posterior to esophagus comes the thoracic duct. This was all about till here. Now since this is the arch of aorta, here will come the left common carotid artery, which supply to the head and neck region. Supply to head and neck region. Okay, see this carefully. This part. Okay, see it carefully. Then here come the left subclavian artery. Left subclavian artery is supply the left limb. Okay. This was about this. Now we will tell about the structure passing through the hilum. Firstly, you have to find. I can give you a mnemonic for this. Amar broncho bhai. For A is for artery, B is for bronchus, and V is for vein. Okay, so this is your pulmonary artery. See this carefully. This is a pulmonary artery. I will show you. I can show you more carefully. Okay, this is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. This is the left principal bronchus. The principal bronchus. You can identify it by the presence of the hyaline cartilage. Okay, see this carefully. See this. Okay, this whole thing. It is a ruptured one, but you have to adjust it. This is the pulmonary artery. This is the left principal bronchus. See it carefully. Left principal bronchus, and then here comes the pulmonary vein. Okay, but it is ruptured one, you can't see. In the exam you get the nice viscera. Okay, this is the pulmonary vein. So this was all about the structure passing the hilum, and this is the pulmonary ligament, as I told previously also, lingula. Now I am going to tell you about the bronchopulmonary segment. Now I am going to tell you the bronchopulmonary segment. For the bronchopulmonary segment, I am starting like this. Okay. In the bronchopulmonary segment, this is the upper lobe, and this is the lower lobe, because it is divided by the horizontal fissure. Okay. Now I am starting. This is apical for the upper lobe. This is apical. This is posterior. This is anterior. This is superior lingular. This is inferior lingular. Okay. This was from the upper lobe. I am repeating it again. And this is apical. this is posterior, this is anterior, this is superior lingular, this is inferior lingular. Okay. Now for the lower lobe, this is superior, this is superior. See this portion, this is superior, and this is anterior basal, this is lateral, this is posterior basal. Because it is the posterior border, no, you can identify this. This is the posterior basal, and here comes the medial basal. Okay, so this is all about the lower lobe and the all the things. So I hope you like this video.